Stem cells are cells that are undifferentiated, meaning they do not have a specific job or function. While skin cells protect your body, muscle cells contract, and nerve cells send signals, stem cells do not have any specific structures or functions. Stem cells do have the potential to become all other kinds of cells in your body. Your body uses stem cells to replace worn-out cells when they die. Scientists hope that stem cells could be used to create a very special kind of personalized medicine in which we could replace your own body parts with, well, your own body parts. Stem cell researchers are working hard to find ways in which to use stem cells to create new tissue to replace the parts of organs that are damaged by injury or disease. Using stem cells to replace damaged bodily tissue is called regenerative medicine.
Can you elaborate on radiation and its effects?
Radiation is a very important thing that we all need to know. You see, it's actually a form of energy. It may be in the form of waves or particles. It functions in our environment in many ways. It is transmitted, reflected, emitted, or absorbed.
Why is it viewed to be so dangerous by one and all?
You see, it's in the form of very powerful and dangerous rays that are extended from different radioactive substances. It is the energy that is emitted in the form of rays, i.e., ultraviolet radiation or electromagnetic radiation. The sources of these radiations may vary, from rocks, soil, and space to the human body itself. Medical use of radioactive substances, impurities from the nuclear bomb test, and wastes from the nuclear reactors are the other sources of this radiation pollution. Cells in our body may get damaged due to exposure to high levels of radiation. Sometimes the results are fatal. Childhood cancer is one such effect. This happens when the DNA in the germ cell of the ovaries of the mother is affected, which passes the disease to the offspring.
The debt today is so high, it's 200,000 rupees, 300,000 rupees of peasant who have no capital. They who know within a year or two, when they accumulate that kind of debt. Where is the debt coming from? It's coming from a seed that is costing 100,000 to 200,000 rupees per kilogram, depending on what you got. Seeds that used to be free, used to be theirs. Pesticide each time, the more they use, the more they have to use, 12 sprays, 15 sprays, 20 sprays. Pesticide used in just the last 5 years in the land areas of India has shown up by 2000%. That's why the free market and globalization have brought, and since we are talking about peasants, who have no money, who have no capital, they can only buy expensive seeds and expensive pesticide by borrowing. And who lend that money? The seed companies that sell the pesticide, which are the same companies that sell the seeds, as you know, are now also the major creditors. The debt today is so high, it's 200,000 rupees, 300,000 rupees of peasant who have no capital. They who know within a year or two, when they